headlight is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Just having the brightest LED headlights isn't the only thing you need to worry about. There's the color temperature, the fitting, the different types of headlights you can buy, and a range of other considerations to make. However, different kinds of light bulbs have varying brightness, visibility, and lifespans. Choosing the right headlight bulbs can be very simple, but selecting an appropriate one is always very tricky. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products. The ZDAT 12000LM H11 LED headlight offers an aluminum casing, high optical density, powerful built-in 12,000 RPM turbo cooling fan, twice faster heat dissipation than generic bulbs. It has an all-in-one aluminum material and design which makes it easy to install. It has 4 sides lightning 360-degree LED lighting, which emits a super bright and clear beam pattern without any dark spots for foggy light. It is 200% brighter than halogen headlights and uses the newest LED optics technology to ensure to light up the road more fully and more average beam to create a safe visual driving experience. Also, it provides secure temp and lets your LED headlight bulbs working over 50,000 hours of brilliant continuous light. Another advantage is that it has the newest LED optics technology, ensuring to light up the road for more extensive and more average beams to create a safe visual driving experience. The Cougar Motor H1 offers full aluminum housing 7,000 RPM powerful turbo cool fan to ensure your LED headlight bulbs over 50,000 hours of brilliant continuous light. It uses the latest technology to provide a perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or gray light. These bulbs are CAN bus ready and will work with most vehicle computer systems without error. Also, it lasts more than 50,000 hours and works underwater. Rainproof driver housing and fan work even in extreme situations. Besides, it uses cool white 6000K and high luminous efficacy Flux up to 7200 LM per pair, which is 200% brighter than your stock halogen headlights. Another advantage is that it is equipped with arc beam technology to ensure a perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or foggy light. The Oxbeam F16 series LED headlights throws a super bright light on the road evenly at an appropriate angle without dark spots / foggy light. It has soft white lights in stable beam pattern, will not dazzle oncoming traffic. The 6000K white light reflects roadsides and road paint better to show you a more precise road situation. It includes a control driver which helps get optimal heat protection and performance. Also, it comes with 2 pieces of 9006 HB4U single beam headlight bulbs, each with 2 pieces of high power Cree chips. Besides, it offers IP65 waterproof and 360-degree beam angle, which ensures a comfortable drive at night. Moreover, they are designed to fit both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles. Another advantage is that the color temperature is set at 6000K, giving a high contrast light that is bright white but will not dazzle oncoming traffic. Claiming the first place among the list of best LED headlights, we have the Opt 7 Flux Beam LED headlight. It has an exclusive arc beam lens technology which is crafted around the more powerful Cree MK-R to provide the only LED headlight with the proper beam patterns. It achieves 6000K daytime white brightness instantly with 0 lag. Also, it's the only LED which uses crystal clear technology that gives scatter-free clear light. It uses powerful 7,000 RPM turbo cool fan which cools with twice as much force as generic fans. The cold pressed aluminum heatsink stays 30% cooler than standard. Also, it is watertight sealed with rust-proof aluminum and it is made to last as long as the LED itself. Besides, it syncs with LED ASIC chip to monitor fan speed for optimal heat protection and performance. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to appreciate our work by hitting the like button. If you'd like to see more from us in the future, then go ahead and hit the subscribe and the bell icons.